I love chocolates.
A caramel filling? I think that's really nice.
Pandan and salted caramel, yay!
No.
Curry leaves and tomatoes.
Wait, is this chocolate filling?
Today we are going to talk about chocolate.
I have never made chocolate before coming here today.
I have learned the different chocolates origins and where they come from and how we process it.
In school, we actually learn how to temper chocolate, but then this is a different method, tabling method, so it's something new.
Applying Asian flavors to chocolate is something new, something different, and slightly refreshing. I'm pretty sure you don't really get pandan flavored chocolate outside.
It's unexpected, because when you hear like tomato, it's like savory, and you suddenly put it into white chocolate, that's a little bit weird, because white chocolate is very sweet, but somehow it kind of worked out.
Before we come out with two combinations, we do 25 combinations with my colleague, and the combination looks strange, but somehow is working.
The first bite I got the flavor of the curry leaves.
It's actually better than what I expected.
Maybe I'm just really hungry, but that was really good.
What? This is pandan salted caramel. Oh my god, it's super good.
Oh, and I said it wouldn't be good, but it was delicious.
I hope that the students take the theme of better together to not just think about different types of chocolate, different types of ingredients, but also looking at overall how can Americans and Singaporeans work together and be better together.
Happy 55th anniversary!